When I work with the mirror image functions on the Pfaff Creative Icon 2, I'm able to produce practically brand new stitches. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and we're going through all the fun features and functions on the Pfaff Creative Icon 2, and I'm going to be jumping over to some decorative stitches to show you the benefits of using the mirror image function. Now, I did pick this little turtle. That's on menu 6, page 2, and that stitch number 7 is a design that is not symmetrical. So some of these are very symmetrical. You can't tell, if we flip them, if you're actually sewing from top to bottom, or yes, you can see a right-left mirror image, but you can't see all the flips that I'm about to show you. Your mirror image function is found in the Edit Stitch area, so come down here and bring open this lower Edit Stitch area. We can adjust width and length, needle position, even the thread metering, which is kind of the thread tension, but right here is your mirror images. Now, anything that you see on your screen is exactly the way it's going to stitch. So just picture your presser foot sitting right here, and as it stitches this way, this is the angle or look of your stitch. So right now we got turtle feet on the left, starting from head and sewing down to his tail. So a very quick way to flip the turtles is to touch the first mirror image. Now his feet are on the right side, still sewing from head to tail. Let's touch that again, put it back to normal. What about this other one? They call it a mirror end-to-end feature. So here's what it looks like. I mentioned from head to tail that it's sewing now. Now we have a turtle sewing from tail to head. Okay, so let me pause for a second. So sometimes you're sewing a decorative stitch and you want it to appear near the edge of your fabric, but the pattern is going the wrong direction. So instead of turning your whole entire fabric project so the bulk of it is inside this machine so the pattern will sew correctly, that is where mirror image comes in handy. All you need to do is flip the stitch so it sits on this fabric the way you intend it to go. Now let me show you one more thing, because you can actually engage both mirror images for all 4 directions. So yes, you can sew this turtle out one direction, flip it again, and flip it again. So you have all 4 directions he can stitch. So there's no reason that all your fabric has to be shoved on the inside of this machine for that stitch to flip. I love to actually sometimes put these in memory so you can actually combine stitches and flip-flop them, and so that is a fun way to do it. We can use the sequence creator, find that turtle again, put one into memory, and put a second one into memory, and then be able to adjust it based on which way you want them to face. So for example, if I highlight the top turtle and open Edit Stitch, then we could actually mirror image it end to end, and they'll be looking at each other. You know what's even cuter? To put a little heart in the middle of those 2 turtles. So you can totally adjust every stitch for the way you want it to sew. Let's do this one more time. I'm going to go ahead and delete both the designs. Find a new decorative stitch that when placed 2 of them together, you will see a totally new pattern. Let's mirror image this and see now those designs will actually travel in a serpentine direction. So with a little playing of different combinations, you can come up with some unique brand new stitches that you can use on the Pfaff Creative Icon 2. If you love working with decorative stitches like I do, check out our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course where we utilize decorative stitches and accessory feet to their fullest. All the links below will take you to the videos that you can check out to see if this course is right for you.